Hey Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Canva templates effectively to create professional-looking designs in no time. Introduction to Canva templates. Canva offers thousands of templates for every type of design, whether it's social media graphics, presentations, posters, or flyers. Templates are pre-designed layouts that you can customize to fit your needs, saving you a lot of time and effort. Choosing the right template. To get started, click on Create a Design button and select the type of design you need. For this tutorial, we'll use an Instagram post template. Browse through the available templates and choose one that fits your theme. You can use the search bar to find templates based on keywords like summer, sale, or minimal. Customizing the template. Once you've selected a template, it's time to customize it. Start by changing the text to match your content. Click on the text boxes to edit. Next, change the images. You can upload your own photos or use Canva's vast library of free images. Simply drag and drop your image into the placeholder. Don't forget to adjust the colors to match your brand. Click on any element to change its color using the color picker tool. Adding your personal touch. To make your design stand out, add unique elements like icons, illustrations, or shapes. You can find these under the Elements tab. Remember, less is more. Keep your design clean and uncluttered. Saving and sharing your design. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Share button to download your work. Canva allows you to choose from various formats like PNG, JPEG, or PDF. You can also share your design directly on social media platforms or via a link. And that's it. A simple way to use Canva templates effectively. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.